welcome here or welcome back. Today we are embarking on the beginning of a very exciting Anne of Green Gables inspired video. I've been looking forward to filming this so much, especially now as we're heading towards the cooler seasons and the coziest times of the year. However, when I was planning my videos for this month, I did not anticipate a sweltering heat wave to descend on the UK. Nevertheless, I'm so pleased to have you here as we do some cozy, bookish things this week. No Anne of Green Gables themed anything would be complete without spending some time with a kindred spirit. So in a little while I'm meeting up with a dear friend of mine. We're going to go to a bookshop and have a nice little drink and a chat and a catch up and just see where the day takes us. And I thought it would be so nice to bring a little bit of baked goods. I'm going to make some banana bread and I thought we could enjoy that together. So let's head to the kitchen and get baking. Hi friends, and welcome to a couple of days later. I'm gonna sit in my little reading chair to update you. I had such an amazing day with Lucy. It's just so special to have friends that just get you and that you just can be super goofy and silly and heartfelt chats with, and yeah, I'm so lucky to have her in my life and people like her in my life. So thank you, Lucy, for being a part of the video and for being a kindred spirit. Today I am absolutely thrilled to report that we've had a little bit of rain, and so the heat has gone down a little bit, not tons, mind, but enough so that I feel like I can sort of breathe a bit better now, which is great. So whilst I'm waiting for the skies to clear a little bit and for the rain to stop, I'm gonna clean my kitchen and the living room. Nice and spick and span, just as I assume Green Gables always is. I'm also thinking if the rain persists, I'm gonna do a bit of reading, maybe some writing as well. We will see. We will see. We're at the mercy of the weather at the moment. But if the weather brightens up, I'm hoping to go for a little nature walk, maybe collect some leaves and some flowers. There's still some summer blooms around, and there's also, I'm wondering if we're going to see some of the autumn leaves as well. We will see. I will keep you updated. this morning, coming out and spending time in nature. I woke up and the summer season that came the last week or so has officially gone. It is autumn. The air is crisp and a little bit damp, and all of the colours are changing. There's so many different hues of green and brown, and oranges are starting to come through as well, and it just feels magical. It feels like the beginning of something new, and I'm so excited. Don't you imagine the leaves dream now how comfortable it will be to touch the earth instead of the nothingness of the air and the endless freshets of wind? And don't you think the trees, especially those with mossy hollows, are beginning to look for the birds that will come, 6 a dozen, to sleep inside their bodies? And don't you hear the goldenrod whispering goodbye? The everlasting being crowned with the first tuffets of snow. The pond stiffens, and the white field over which the fox runs so quickly brings out its long blue shadows. The wind wags its many tails, and in the evening the piled firewood shifts a little, longing to be on its way. I believe the nicest and sweetest days are not those on which anything very splendid or wonderful or exciting happens, but just those that bring simple little pleasures, following one another softly, like pearls slipping off a string. Thank you so much for being here with me, friends. Take care, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.
Mm-hmm.